Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today I am going to vlog again. So today I will stay at home and try to be productive. I hope I can do a lot of things because like a lot of people always tell me that they really enjoy my vlogs because they kind of get like the feeling of wanting to be productive or something. I don't really know. I mean, I get it because I watch a lot of study vlogs myself. The plan for today is first of all clean up my room, and then I have to study trade law or private law. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but at first I really have to clean my room because everything is a mess. It kind of stresses me out a lot if like everything is like super unorganized, so first have to organize everything. I think we should just start right away and clean up this whole mess and be productive because that's the goal for today. So my bed is finished now, and now I'm going to clean up my closet. You know, I have a lot of like troubles picking out an outfit in the morning, so that's why I just put everything in here when I'm in a hurry, and then it just gets stacked up throughout the week, and every week I have to organize all of this into these drawers again. So let's do this. So as you just saw, I just finished organizing my closet again, and now I have to do all the other parts of my room. So let me just quickly show you how this looks like. This is my desk. Very messy. This is the area behind my desk, which is okay. I still have to like organize a bit there. And then we have my couch, which is pretty messy as well. And my vanity looks okay, I guess. I'm going to clean everything up now. Okay, so I just finished cleaning everything up and everything looks clean again. Okay, so as you guys just saw, I just finished cleaning up my room. Before I start studying, I just quickly wanted to do a stationery unboxing. There's this brand who reached out to me, which is called Oh Dear, or like Paper Gang, I guess. They sell subscription boxes, and I guess their subscription box company is called Paper Gang. I'm not quite sure, but I'll leave the link in the description box. And they sent me one of their subscription boxes, which has stationery in it. I believe they just sent this to me for free as a gift, so I wasn't even obligated, or like they didn't tell me to do an unboxing, but still I'm really appreciative for the gift. So I thought let's do an unboxing, and everybody loves stationery unboxings, so let's just put it in my vlog as well. This is the box. It is quite thin, as you can see. So cute. This is a subscription box. This is like a C edition, and I just checked the website and it said like they have collaboration with this company, which is apparently for like protecting the oceans. So here it says like £1 for every box gets donated to them. So let's open it up. Oh, there's something here. So they also have like a whale cutout, and this is how it's supposed to look like when you cut it out and fold it. The box looks very cute. Okay, let's open it up. Yay! This is how the box looks on the inside. Oh my god. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. Oh, I just saw this on their website. I think these are metal straws. Yeah, they are. Oh my god, there are 3 pieces inside. Wow, I never had metal straws. Honestly, I don't even use straws because I don't really like plastic straws. I think it's a waste of plastic, so I never use them. It also has like a case, so I'm assuming that you can put these inside and bring them when you go to a restaurant or something. But it's a very cute idea, and I'm definitely gonna use these also in the future. And then there's this pin. Oh my god, so cute. I love pins. I really love pins. I really love collecting them, but I just never know where to put them. I have a lot of like K-pop pins as well, and I just don't know where to put them, so I just keep them all in my drawer. So I guess there's like information inside about the box and about like the whole company, and also of course this month's theme. So I think this whole box theme is like a great idea. So here are some stickers as well, again in this very cute design. There's this sheet of paper for like a calendar sheet. Oh, this is so cute. Like I can put this up on my desk. And then there's like this card, and it says like there is no planet B, which is very cute as well. And it has like this silver details. I don't know if you can see this, but this is very cute as well. And then we also have like a notebook inside, again in this very cute design. Paper quality looks very nice, I have to say that. I don't really say that often. The notebook is like ruled. Wait. So there's this ruled notebook, and on the back side of the pages is blank. You have like both of this in one notebook, which is pretty convenient. That was everything for this box. Again, thank you so much to Paper Again for sending me this. I really appreciate it, and I think everything was very cute. So I don't know when I last filmed. I think it was like a couple of hours ago, but I just answered all the students' mails, because we get like emails from students where they ask us questions. Then I watched Produce X11, and then I ate lunch, and now I'm going to start studying for trade law. Let's start studying. For trade law, I'm first going to read my book here, and then I have to read another summary. Okay. Okay, so I don't have to read the summary. I have to read this book, and then I have to summarize it, and then like with my lecture notes, which are my computer. Let's start. Okay, so I just finished studying trade law. I did summarize everything in here, as you can see, and then I also finished reading this book. I didn't finish reading this book, but I finished reading like the chapter which was relevant, and then I also read all the paragraphs in my law book. I don't know whether I should revise my trade law class or not, so I think I'm going to finish watching like the episode of Produce One X101 because I've started it, but I haven't finished watching it. As you can see, I still have like an hour left. I'm just going to finish watching this, and then I'm going to revise my trade law class. So I'm also very hungry right now, so I should probably just eat some dinner. I look so tired. My eye bags are so bad. Honestly, these days I have a lot of trouble sleeping, so that's why I have like huge eye bags. Wow. Okay, so I just finished watching the new episode and oh my god, it was like so intense as like every episode. And I don't know if you guys are watching Produce X101. If not, you should definitely do so because it is an amazing TV show. I love it so much. And if you're watching Produce X101, let me know who are your favorite picks, because mine are Kim Yo-han and Ham Won-jin. Yeah. And I also really like Kim Woo-seok. And I'm sorry if my face looks a bit weird over red because I'm an emotional person, okay, and I cried a lot during this episode. If you didn't watch the show, you can judge me, okay? Okay, so I got another package here, and while I was watching the episode, my brother gave me this because apparently the post delivery man came. Honestly, it's just like a random t-shirt. That's not a random t-shirt. It's like a t-shirt from a band that I really like. The group is called Pierce the Veil. You see that? Yeah. So I just got like a long sleeve shirt because lately I've been like really liking long sleeve shirts, like which are very like oversized. And when I saw this on their website, I thought, okay, I have to get it because it looks super cool. And I also love the band. So this is how the shirt looks like. Yay! It's like super oversized. I got it in an XL. On the sleeves it says just... Did they change their logo? I don't know. But it's like Wait. It says like PTV because Pierce the Veil, and that's like the shorter form for that. I'm going to revise my trade law class now because it is almost 10 p.m. I don't know if I should do this because I'm super tired, but I really need to get like things done, so I should probably do it. I don't even know how much I filmed, to be honest, so I hope this video wasn't too boring. I try to make video content in the future, but honestly guys, I'm like, I don't even know what to film right now. I have some videos planned or like some video ideas in my mind, but I don't know if I can just really film them. You guys will see what I mean when I upload the videos, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, right now it's just like a very awkward phase of not knowing what to do. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was somewhat helpful and not too boring, and I see you in my next video. Bye, see you soon.